Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the video. It is Servants of Servants Beat here. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. And in today's video we are going to be making this pearl and red earrings and chain. This is inspired by Valentine's Day coming up, so you can make this so fast so that you can give it to your significant other or your friend. Is just so fast to make, so make sure you stay tuned. Please do not forget to like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, share the video, leave a comment, and let's just get right into the tutorial. For the materials, you're going to need 5mm pearls. You're going to need a tiny jump ring, an earring hook, and those are 2mm seed beads, and of course your fishing line. I use a 0.60 fishing line for this video, but if you have a thread or like a 0.30, it's going to be completely fine. So to start, you're going to pick up one red bead. You're going to pick up one pearl bead on each end of your fishing line. Then you are going to pick up one red bead on each side of your fishing line again, and you are going to pick up one pearl beads for each side of your fishing line. So two, that is one on each side of the fishing line. And this, when you pull it down, this is the pattern that you are going to have right here. This is how it's supposed to look like. And what we are going to do next is to pick up one red bead. Then we are going to cross or interlock with the other fishing line. So just cross like so. Make sure you watch this video to the end without skipping any parts, guys, so that you do not make a mistake. Yeah, so you're just going to cross it, then you're going to pull it to the end, and this is what you're supposed to have. It's like a 4x4 sort of circle. Yeah, so we have the first one. So we are trying to make the shape of a heart. And now to continue, on the fishing line on your right, you are going to pick up one pearl bead, one red bead, like so, one pearl bead again, one red bead, and one pearl bead. So all of these goes into the fishing line on your right. And now for the fishing line on your left, you are simply going to pick up just a pearl bead and a red bead, and we are going to cross or interlock with this red bead. So this is how it's supposed to look like. We have 3 pearl beads and 2 red beads on the right and 1 pearl bead on the left, and we're going to pick up 1 red bead, then cross like so. And guys, if you do not understand what I am saying, I believe the video is slow enough for you to pause so that you can, watch it again and understand. So this is a closer look on how everything looks like. Now we are going to go ahead and do the third circle. Yeah, so on the fishing line on your right, you're going to pick up one pearl bead, one red bead, one red bead. I'm going to pick up one pearl bead again, one red bead, and one pearl bead again. So this is all on the fishing line on your right, like so. Then with the fishing line on your left, you're going to, so this is what you have. I'm trying to focus the camera. Yeah, this is what you have. Then on the fishing line on your left, you're going to simply pick up one pearl bead and one red bead, and that red bead we are going to use it to cross. We are going to use it to cross or interlock everything. So this is how it looks like, and now we are simply going to cross everything with the red bead that we picked up on the fishing line on our left. By the way, if you're interested to know the number of beads for the which was used to make this, I used 12 there were 12 pearl beads in total, then 18 red beads. So as you can see, that forms a nice heart. Like I said, this is a perfect gift now that Valentine's is coming. And guys, this is officially the first jewelry video that I have on my channel, so stay tuned. I'm going to be making more jewelry for men and women, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post another video. Yeah, so we are going to continue. Of course, you're going to pick up one red bead on your right fishing line, another red bead on the fishing line on your left, then you're going to pick up one red bead again, and you are going to cross it like so. Yeah, you just go ahead and cross it like this. This is what we have. We're going to repeat this process 2 more times. So with the fishing line on my right, I'm going to pick up one red bead like so. Insert one red bead on the fishing line on your right, insert another red bead on the fishing line on your left, then you go ahead and cross with one red bead again. Yeah, so this is what we have. So this is a very nice, simple, cute tutorial, and you make something nice and cute out of this. Even if you don't want to give this to someone, make this for yourself. Okay, you need more jewelry, and you can make this in any color scheme that you want. You could do a black and gold, you can do a pearl and gold. The options are endless. So for the last part, we are going to pick up one pearl bead on the left, another pearl bead on the right fishing line. Then we are going to go into the red bead which is adjacent to where we are working right now. As you can see, that red bead right there, I am simply going to insert just one side of the fishing line into that hole of the red bead, and I am going to pull it to the other side like so. Yeah, so this is what we have, and what we are going to do now is to simply tie off our work. We are simply going to tie up our work. Guys, at this point, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to join the community, to join the channel, and make sure you just leave me a like, give me a thumbs up, tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, tell me what you think about the necklace itself. Share this video to someone who you think might need it. Yeah, so that is basically it. And if you have any requests for jewelry or any beaded bag that you want me to make, this entire channel is everything beads. Make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section, or check out or leave me a comment in my Instagram. I have my Instagram name on the intro of this video, so make sure you just check me out on Instagram. Yeah, I have so many pictures of everything that I have ever done. Yeah, so just help support me basically. So I'm just moving my fishing line in different places so that I can cut it off. You never want to cut your fishing line, your excess fishing line, where you have tied your work. So even if it's to move it away by 1 or 2 beads, do that. Then go ahead and cut off your excess fishing line. So guys, if you recreate any of the work on my or any of the things that I make on my channel, please make sure you tag my Instagram, send me a picture. I'm going to post it and shout you out on Instagram, and I am also going to post it on my community tab here on YouTube so that other people can see what you have done. I have a picture of one of my subscribers already. I am going to be posting that picture on my community tab very soon. So if you want others to see what you have done, make sure you just send me a picture on my Instagram. So I have cut off all the fishing line, and now we are going to work with our jump ring. Now if you have an empty necklace like so. You can go ahead and attach the jump ring to your little heart that you've made, and then attach it to the empty necklace. But if you don't have the empty necklace, you can go ahead and just make a long, rope of beads, beads on a string, very long, that can fit your neck. Then you can use the same method, open your jump ring like so. Please use pliers if you have pliers. I can't find my pliers for some reason, so just open it with your pliers like so, or your fingers. If you don't have pliers, use a pair of scissors to open and close it. I'm going to show you how I do that in a second. So I just use the tip of my scissors like a plier to open and close my jump ring, because I don't know why when I want to start doing jewelry, that's when my pliers are getting missing. So this is how your necklace is going to look like. As you can see, it's nice, it is cute. Like, tell me you don't want to wear this, okay? So next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to show you how to attach the your little heart that you've made to your earring hook. So I'm just removing the jump ring from the necklace. Guys, seriously, use either pliers or scissors. You don't want to damage your nails like I am doing here. So make sure you either use pliers or scissors to open and close your jump rings. Do not use your fingers. Yeah, so I am simply going to open up my pliers, then I'm going to remove that chain which I attached there, and I'm going to pick up my earring hook. This is how it looks like, and I'm simply going to slip it through the jump ring, and I am going to close that jump ring like so. I'm sure this is a very simple and easily understandable tutorial, and that is basically it. You have a new set of earrings that you made yourself. Guys, you can even start a small business by making these. People now love handmade products, so go ahead and make this sort of earrings or necklaces for your business. If you want a business idea, this is a free one here for you. So attaching a jump ring to your little earring is going to make it loose, and you want your earring to dangle. You don't want something that is stiff, so I recommend you add your jump ring to it. So this is basically it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to share the video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Stay tuned to my channel because I have more videos loading for you. I am ready for you guys this 2023. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.